Welcome back, free thinkers, to another evening edition of the Grow Rich, Grow Happy Crypto Show. In this episode, guys, I'm going to be showing you a bunch of things, and they're all going to lead back into why it's important to eat, sleep, and breathe the cryptocurrencies that you hold in your portfolios. Now, we're going to be talking about Zebec Network. I'm going to be combining a few things for you with the help of 314 Crypto in their latest episode on the Zebec Nation Podcast. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to the Zebec Nation Podcast and you hold Zebec, you're doing yourself an injustice. The importance of understanding the cryptos that you hold. And we're fortunate to have a dedicated podcast that talks about everything Zebec, and you know I'm going to bring you Zebec, but I'm also going to bring you other assets as well. So you want to make sure you stay tuned to this one, guys, because this one is big. I will leave all of their contact below so that you can follow this well-informed channel. Now, you already know what to do. Smash that like button, give me a sub, hit that bell notification so that you don't miss any of these videos. And I hope you caught the last episode that I brought you guys on the clarity that is coming out of the Security Exchange Commission. This is our time. This is where the utility is about to explode, guys. Now, don't tell me, oh, well, when is it going to happen? Is it going to be tomorrow? Is it going to be Friday? Hold your horses. Just keep buying. That's all I'm going to say. Not financial advice. Understand what you hold. And I do want to let you know, guys, that Zebec has posted something over on their X account. Those of you follow me on X, you already know what it is because I posted it this morning and I gave you a little bit of quiz. Whew, look at me rocking the mic. But what they have is a major ecosystem partnership announcement coming tomorrow, March 19th, 2026. So let me know down below, who could they be getting ready to partner with or announce to the public? Because I told you guys, when they announce it ain't when they partner. That's just when they want to let us know. Now, let me know down below your thoughts on this, and people have already started weighing in over on X. Shout out to everybody who's been weighing in. Shout out to zbcn man who said, I'm not saying. So make sure you let me know down below who you think it is, because tomorrow is going to be a big day. So with that, guys, let's do something. Also, swing over to Grow Rich, Grow Happy, guys. Check out my book, Overcoming Self for Crypto Wealth. So that, guys, this is not the time to be playing around with your crypto. This is the time to know what you're doing and know what you hold. And I'm about to help you figure that out. So we're going to jump over here first. Make sure you follow them over on YouTube, the Zebec Network, Zebec Nation Podcast. That's all they talk about is Zebec, guys. Check them out. I actually was on one of their episodes. I want to say it's a couple weeks now. A couple weeks ago, I was on their episode 4, I believe. We talked everything crypto. So check it out if you want to know a little bit about me. So here we go. So this is my guy, 314 Crypto, does impeccable research. Listen to what he has to say. I'm only going to check out a little bit of this, but trust me, it will behoove you not to listen to the whole thing on your own time. Check this out.
So if you guys don't know, Sam Tapalia is our founder, our chief of Zebec Network. So Sam had a vision. You know, when you think about Zebec Network, you think payroll. So Zebec is looking to solve the $50 trillion issue that exists within global payroll, and that's pay cycles. So Sam, being from Nepal, you know, he saw how effective it would be for everyone to receive their paycheck in real time. You know, no one asked the questions, you know, why do you get paid every 2 weeks? Or in some places, you get paid once a month. You know, I use this analogy. You go to the hospital right now and you have a hospital bill. 9 times out of 10, you're going to be using a credit card. And that credit card has high fees. And in some cases, it might be close to getting maxed out. But what happens whenever you are getting paid in real time? You cannot use your credit card as much, and you'll have influx of cash to where now you'll be able to pay some of these bills that just come abruptly, you know, out of nowhere, you know. But I'm just going to let you guys watch this. This sounds very familiar, and I'm sure you guys have seen this video. This is Brad Garlinghouse talking about the friction of payments.
Now, I want to piggyback on that. I love what he said there. This is how you understand your crypto. If you're holding zbcn, guys, you already know their root cause. Why are they here? streaming payroll 24/7. That's where it started. Now it's going to go further than that. But if you understand that basis right there, their root, what did they sprout as? That's what caught my attention about them. I talked about that on one of their episodes, on episode 4. Check it out. But that's what got me involved in Zebec Network. And then as you start doing a deep dive and following the breadcrumbs, you start seeing that, damn, this is so much more than that. And I love this because he's letting you know that now. And what I'm about to jump to is the patents that Sam holds. This is important because if you got your crypto, you want to make sure, and this, we always get this in the comment section here. Yeah, but it's so much other competition. Here's why it's not, because when you own something, you own it, and you want to make sure that, like, he owns this patent to their technology. But here's the thing. This is what differentiates it. When you're looking at your cryptocurrency, you want to make sure, okay, if I'm taking a long shot on something or a gamble, I told you I don't like gambles. You want to make sure you're as close to something that stands out from everything else as possible. And you want to make sure that they have a moat around them. They're in the center. And then you have the outside, we're going to call them competition, that just can't get across that moat for reasons that these guys hold a key ingredient that is very hard for somebody else to replicate without being sued. So we're going to jump over here, and this is Brad Garlinghouse talking about that. I'm going to play this part.
A lot of us don't think about, here in Singapore, I believe you get paid once a month. In the United States, you get paid once every 2 weeks. Has you ever thought about why you get paid once a month or once every 2 weeks? It comes down to the friction of payments. And if we can remove the friction of payments, why can't you get paid every day? Or even more crazily, why don't you get paid every hour or every second? You can have a stream of value showing up in your whatever repository of value. Now, why you need to get paid every second, I'm not sure. But I do think there's a lot of dynamics that have been built around getting paid every 2 weeks or getting paid every month. And as we remove the friction of payments and make that dramatically easier, I think you're going to see secondary and tertiary effects that are very difficult to predict, just like we couldn't have predicted Grab 20 years ago.
So, yeah.
Now you hear that. You hear that. This is Brad Garlinghouse saying that on stage, right? So anybody out there don't think it's a partnership coming, I believe it's a good possibility that when Simon Babakani speaks on that XRP conference stage, we're going to hear something. Now, we already know it's going to happen, but when you hear Brad Garlinghouse saying that, we know what he's talking about, guys. And this is how you connect the dots. But not only that, this is how you get there first. We're ahead of everyone else. We're ahead of the masses that are going to come in and want to accumulate this asset. So accumulate it now. That's not financial advice. I'm just connecting the dots, just like 314 is, and the whole Zebec Nation Podcast crew. Check this out. We're going to go ahead now because he jumps over to this. This one I want to show you.
He worked for ASME, and ASME was an AI and analytics company. And he had some patents that he brought over to Zebec that just beefens, Zebec AI to its core. So I kind of want to go over all this stuff with you guys. So it says system and method for end video product placement and end video purchasing capability using augmented reality, automatic, continuous user authentication. Continuous. So look at this, you guys. Further techniques are provided by which the users in their smartphones are automatically, continuously being authenticated. So when you think about this, you're thinking about this screening that AI does to make sure you are who you say you are. You're not fraudulent. You're not money laundering. It's behind the scenes AI screening what you're doing in real time. So that word continuously, you're going to see that a lot.
You hear this?
You see this other patent system.
You hear this? You're hearing how the AI, again, artificial intelligence, we've been talking a lot about, but Tensor Tau. What he's talking about now is AI agents, but he's telling you and showing you, this is what I even more like, he's showing you patents that Sam holds and why all of this has been integrated into Zebec and how everything is going to build out even more. Again, it's lengthening, keeping that moat. Putting the alligators in it, the sharks in it, the broken glass to keep the competition from catching up with them. ZBCN is the centerpiece that Circle is using. So check this out, guys.
System and method for in-video product placement and in video purchasing capability using augmented reality. So again, I'm going to highlight this as well. Further techniques are provided that enable the viewer to purchase the product while still in the video, not having to leave the video or the site to complete the purchase. So this, again, is so pivotal to Zebec AI. When you think about transacting without any friction whatsoever, this is enabling the continuous settlement. So if this is not something that you understand, I have a video for you guys to kind of explain, really how big this use case is, or this patent is for Zebec's infrastructure.
Now, I'm not going to play the video. I suggest you guys go over and check it out, especially if you hold ZBCN, guys. And I'm going to jump over here because you know where I'm going. You know what I like to do. I like to look at this price and see, how much more can I accumulate? So we look here, guys. 200 million market cap. Everything is already unlocked. Final unlock is here, guys. All of this is about to change. All of this is about to change with everyone coming in, the institutions coming in, enterprise. All of this is about to change, guys. And you're right here at the beginning stage of it. Some of you are just finding out about Zebec Network for the first time. Do your research. Don't just trust the guy on the other end with a big mouth and a big mic. Don't just trust me. Go out, do a little bit of research. Check out Zebec Nation Podcast because they got a wealth of information. 314 did a lot of research, and he continues to do a lot of research day in and day out. He and I text back and forth. A lot of times he put me on some stuff that I'm like, man, dang, you that's a hell of a breadcrumb right there. So if you're holding ZBCN and you want to make sure that it is that asset that you put in, you're not just blindly putting your money into, and something that is going to appreciate, which I believe is going to appreciate fast. Make sure you check out that last episode that I just did on Paul Atkins and what the SEC just came out and publicly stated. Then you already are there, guys. Part of this is all about doing your research, understanding what you hold. But not only that, it's about having the self-belief in yourself to dream bigger than those around you in your circle, and getting away from the naysayers, keeping a positive outlook, just not only on the world, but yourself. That is so important, to give yourself positive self-talk so that you don't miss out on opportunities like this, because somebody might be down in the comments hating or spreading false narratives. I see that kind of stuff and I laugh because I'm like, you don't do half the research that I do. So you can say whatever you want. Guys, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Make sure you subscribe to the Zebec Nation Podcast. These guys are not even paying me to say anything like that. But, I love the fact that they do good research and that they are committed to helping everyone out there get ahead with an asset that's going to just blow the doors off of many of these assets that are already out here in the crypto market right now that can't even hold a candle to them. Check out that episode. To the next one, this your boy. Let me know down below, what do you think this big announcement, this big partnership announcement that Zebec is going to make tomorrow? Let me know who you think it is. To the next one, this your boy. I'm out.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head.